Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can check your activity in Hubstaff. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.hubstaff.com and log in to your Hubstaff account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, set your focus on the left panel and then from the options right here, click on Activities. There would be three ways to check your activity. First, in the URLs, this is where you would see what the team or what's the most open URL by the team. And you can see if the goals or the tasks are seen right here. Next would be on the apps. This is where you would see the most open app on Hubstaff by all team members. Lastly, on screenshots, this is where you would see the day-by-day activities of all team members, including screenshots of their work every 10 minutes, since that is the interval of the screenshots taken by Hubstaff. In addition to that, for screenshots, apps, and URLs, you can use the filters right here to check previous activities from previous days, weeks, or even months. Simply choose the dates right here and then click on Filter. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!